Welcome to the YouTube Vault 01. In today's episode, we'll explore Deep Work by Cal Newport, a book that reveals the power of undistracted focus and how it can lead to extraordinary success. In a world filled with endless notifications, multitasking, and digital noise, true productivity is a rare skill. Deep Work teaches us how to reclaim our attention, eliminate distractions, and achieve peak performance in both our personal and professional lives. If you struggle with procrastination, distractions, or maintaining focus, stay with me as we uncover the secrets of deep work. Key themes. At its core, deep work is about mastering the ability to concentrate without distraction on cognitively demanding tasks. Here are the book's key themes. 1. The value of deep work. Focused, uninterrupted work produces high-quality results and helps you stand out in a competitive world. 2. Shallow work vs. deep work. Shallow tasks like emails and social media drain time and energy, while deep work builds real expertise and success. 3. Training your mind for deep focus. Our ability to concentrate is like a muscle that can be strengthened with the right techniques. 4. Eliminating distractions. Social media, notifications, and multitasking hinder true productivity. 5. Rituals and routines for deep work. Structuring your day properly can create an ideal environment for focus. In-depth summary. Let's break down the core lessons from deep work, focusing on practical strategies to help you maximize focus and productivity. 1. What is deep work? Cal Newport defines deep work as professional activities performed in a state of distraction-free concentration that push your cognitive abilities to their limit. These efforts create new value, improve skills, and are hard to replicate. On the other hand, shallow work consists of non-demanding, often logistical tasks performed while distracted. These activities do not significantly contribute to long-term success. 2. Why deep work is valuable. In today's fast-paced digital world, deep work is a rare skill. Most people are constantly bombarded by distractions, making it difficult to produce high-quality work. Those who master deep work can quickly learn complicated subjects, produce better results in less time, stand out in an economy driven by knowledge and creativity. Newport emphasizes that knowledge workers who can master deep focus will have a significant competitive advantage over those who rely on shallow work. 3. Training your mind for deep work. Deep focus isn't something that happens automatically, it requires deliberate practice. Here are 3 key ways to strengthen your ability to concentrate. Schedule deep work blocks. Set specific times in your day where you eliminate all distractions and focus on demanding tasks. Embrace boredom. Avoid the urge to check your phone during idle moments. Instead, train yourself to be comfortable without constant stimulation. Work like an athlete. Just as athletes train their bodies, we must train our minds for intense concentration. 4. How to eliminate distractions. Distractions are the biggest enemy of deep work. Newport offers strategies to minimize them. Quit social media, or use it wisely. Social media is a major distraction. Consider cutting it out completely or setting strict usage limits. Use the 4DX framework. Focus on a small number of wildly important goals and track progress. Create a deep work ritual. Have a set time and place where you work without interruptions. 5. Rituals and routines for deep work. To build deep work into your daily routine, Newport suggests monastic approach, completely eliminating all shallow work, ideal for authors, researchers, and creatives. Bimodal approach, alternating between deep work and shallow tasks, good for managers and professionals. Rhythmic approach, scheduling deep work at the same time daily to build a habit. Journalistic approach, fitting deep work into any available time slot for those with unpredictable schedules. He also highlights the importance of downtime. The brain needs rest to function at its best, so scheduling breaks and maintaining a healthy work-life balance is crucial. Learning points. The lessons from deep work are incredibly practical. Here are the top takeaways. 1. Deep work is a superpower. The ability to focus deeply is rare but valuable. 2. Eliminate shallow work. Reduce tasks that don't contribute to long-term success. 3. Train your focus like a muscle. The more you practice deep work, the stronger your concentration becomes. 4. Distraction-free environments matter. A well-structured workspace improves focus and efficiency. 5. Schedule deep work into your day. Prioritize meaningful work over busy work. Conclusion. Thank you for tuning into this deep dive into deep work by Cal Newport. If you've ever struggled with distractions or wanted to improve your focus, implementing these strategies can transform your productivity and success. Which lesson resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube Vault 01 for more insightful audiobook summaries. Until next time, stay focused and keep striving for excellence.